In this video, we will cover how to keep track of your to-dos and meet your deadlines, along with managing your AlexPy and assignments. To begin, navigate to your course main page. In your ALEX course, you may have to complete several different assignment types. First, we'll talk about your AlexPy and completing objective assignments, which will help you fill your AlexPy. In ALEX, an objective consists of several topics relevant to the current material being covered. From the course main page, you should see the option to continue my path. By selecting this option, you will be completing a topic that is a part of the current objective. You will also see which objective you are working toward. Every time you successfully complete a topic within an objective, you will be notified of your success, along with how many topics remain in that objective. Note that at any time you can select Gradebook from the same menu where you found your assignments. In doing so, you will see a complete listing of the course objective assignments, as well as any grades you have earned on them. Throughout the course, if you want to check on your progress, consider using the AlexPy, located on the main course page. If you do not see it, you may have to select AlexPy from the top right corner. The AlexPy is a visual representation of your overall progress. The pie is made up of slices, each containing several topics. The darker color in a slice represents the topics you have already mastered in that slice. The lighter color represents topics you have learned, and the outside shaded part represents the topics you have yet to master. The number listed in the middle of the pie is the number of topics you have successfully completed. Clicking on this number will also toggle the display to show the number of topics you've mastered, or an overall percentage of all topics in the course. If you click on any slice of the AlexPy, you will see the actual number of topics mastered, learned, and remaining. If you'd like to see more detail on a slice, you can click on AlexPy Detail on the bottom right corner of the home screen. In doing so, you will be able to navigate through all of the pie slices and see a specific list of topics contained in every slice or objective. These are organized by topics that are ready to learn, topics that have been learned, and topics that have been mastered. In addition to working in your pie and possible objective assignments, you may have additional homework, quizzes, or tests. To find your list of visible assignments, click on the three small horizontal lines on the left of the home page. This opens the menu from which you will select Assignments. Here, you will see a list of your assignments, detailing the name and type of each assignment, including homework sets, scheduled knowledge checks, tests, and quizzes. Additionally, you will see the start date and end date for each. From this menu, you can also see the score you earned on each assignment. In order to successfully fill in your AlexPy and complete all topics and objectives, you'll need to be aware of the deadlines in your course. There are several places you can find deadlines. Whenever you navigate to your course homepage, you will be greeted with a suggested lesson to work on, and you will be told what you are working toward. If there is a deadline associated with this objective, it will be listed here. In addition, you can find deadlines under the Assignments menu we discussed earlier, or in the Gradebook. A final suggestion is to use the calendar, located near the bottom right-hand corner of your homepage. In the calendar view, you will see the upcoming learning objectives you need to complete, listed on the day they are due. Additionally, if there are any assignments, they will be visible on this calendar. Knowing how to navigate your AlexPy objectives and assignments will help you be successful in this course. Use the AlexPy to check your progress, and use the calendar in order to meet your deadlines. Remember, you can find additional tutorials and help videos on McGraw-Hill's website, as well as technical support via phone, email, or chat.